All right, we're going four-wheeling today. Right, Tommy?
Yep.
First time at Wayne National Forest?
Yeah.
Okay, are you excited?
I'm really excited.
Okay, so we got this one used, and then we got this one is the, was it X Pro? I kept on calling it Moto Pro, but it's really the X Pro, right?
Well, it's also Moto Pro.
Yeah.
It says both.
Well, I guess it does say Moto Pro. So it's Moto Pro there, and then X Pro there.
They're probably like something.
In the last video, we did we put it together, right?
Yes.
So this is what it looks like put together outside. Pretty nice. You know, we did drive it around a little bit. So we're gonna shoot a short video this morning about how to mount this thing. It's got the on off right there for the gas. And it just has a decent sized tank, gas tank. There's the on off right there, kill switch. So one push. You do have to hold this in while you start it, and it does come with a key as well. So we're gonna get these things mounted, right, Tommy?
Yep.
All right, so here's the solution. We've got the regular truck. It's a short bed truck. This is gonna be great. Sun's in our eyes. There we go. Come here, Tommy. All right, so we got the short bed truck, and then we got this little dinky trailer. So this is the solution we came up with. So we got a ramp and a ramp. So we got the ramp, and then another ramp onto there, so we can get them both. So hopefully we can get that done. Okay, so I just wanted to point out that those blocks of wood there in the middle of the trailer are there to elevate those ramps just a little bit, because if those blocks of wood weren't there, those aluminum ramps probably would have started bending over time and just was rocking and wasn't completely safe. So decided to add those spare pieces of wood there to get the ATV up to that second level. Pretty good, huh?
Yep.
All right, why don't you go take a look at them? Videotape them up there. We'll gotta strap them down.
Yeah.
You got those pins I gave you?
Oh. Yeah, I'm saying.
Can't put those pins right in here. See that hole?
I don't know if I can because I got the camera.
So you put it like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then you just push it down. Okay, so you go do that on the other side. Keep on going! Hey, go! Okay, so this was our little solution on how to get 2 ATVs in a trailer, and had a great day out riding 4-wheelers. This little ATV, little 200cc, is perfect for somebody around 12, 13 years old, and we had a good time. So if you see what you like and subscribe. Thanks a lot.